Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can remove the background from a video in the CapCut application and add a green screen. First of all, we need to find the image of the green screen. Go to Google and find the image. After that, download it. Once we have done that, we can open the CapCut application and create a new project. In the menu that opens, select the section with images and select green screen in the list and click on the Add button. After that, the editing section will open. In the lower menu, from the numerous options that are offered to us, select the Overlay option and click on Add Overlay. The section for adding images or videos will open again. This time we will select the video for which we want to delete the background by clicking on the Videos section and select our video and confirm with the Add button. We will wait for CapCut to process the video. When the editing section opens again, select the video and find the cutout option in the bottom menu. We will click on it. The new menu will offer us three options, the first of which we need is Remove Background. In the new window, we will select the left option, Turn on or off cutout. In this way we will remove the background from the video. In the same way, we can add any other detail and make our video more professional. That's all for this video. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Also watch our other videos on this topic. See you in the next video.